Tenement Yard peeps, what your goodie is back. Lisa Hype is out and about, and I think she's back for blood. Like, she still have the bad with them wrists in her mouth. Yeah, she's still going off on social media, but I don't think she's going off crazy, but I think she's just venting. One thing I love about Lisa Hype, and we should all give her her flowers, is that she's very talented. She has been a dancehall sensation for years. Like, most of us women, we grew up listening to Lisa Hype, some of us, right? But the questions are being thrown out there like, why is she the way she is? Is it that Vybz Kartel low-key affected her mental health? Did Vybz Kartel groomed her in a where he was, using her for sexual things? A lot of these conversations, they're not new, and I am so happy to be discussing them with you guys today. So like the video, subscribe, and let's get into it. First, I want to say this. A lot of people want to label her as mad. Let me just say this. She's a human being and she's a woman. And just as how a woman's mental health is very important, so is a man's mental health. Very important. And I don't think Jamaica is a country that really sheds light on mental health. Everything is swept under the rug. If someone dies today, I move on, I say it go. I think we don't process things enough. And we finding out that, a lot of us, we're depressed and we don't even know. We're actually depressed, some of us, because we don't process things properly. We were raised in a way where sometimes we have to just shut them out. And sometimes it's not best, especially in men. Well up stress, I don't endorse that because everyone is flesh and blood. We all have feelings. We all go through things. I don't believe men should well up no stress. Men have feelings, and mental health is just as important as a woman's mental health. And I think, a lot of fans, especially Lisa Hype fans, they're saying Kartel did something to this lady way back in the day, like, when the Gaza camp was up and running. He basically used her, and these are some of the comments that people made. It's not coming from me. And am I saying Vybz Kartel is an evil person? I don't know nothing about him personally. People would have their opinions, and they're just opinions. But I think personally, if I should give my opinion, I think something happened and it's really affecting her. I think she somewhat feels betrayed, seeing Vybz Kartel being locked up for so many years. Probably she'd have prayed for him come out, and know him come out of jail, and, him a buy Benz for Sean Storm, him have see them, and, he's been nice to a couple people who held it down for him. And Lisa Hype said, no, but I have to get a slice of the cake because I have been very loyal to you. Vanessa Bling gone about our business, and I've been here. So why me can't get a Benz? Hence why she posted that BMW and took a picture beside of it, basically saying, Vybz Kartel bought it for her and so on and so forth. It's actually sending a message that she somehow feels betrayed and she should also get some fringe benefits from Vybz Kartel. I think that's what she was saying. She feels betrayed and she feels, ignored or forgotten. But at the end of the day, we should all learn that and expect, especially, that people now go always loyal to we want them to be loyal. Sometimes we often know in ourselves, say, okay, whatever we did for someone, it was out of, the best interest at heart because we really did love them or we really did respect them. But I not all the time we expect in return them to give you the same favor. I think if we should have that mindset more, we won't be disappointed. We will learn to continue to focus on our journey. Other people were saying, Vybz Kartel sexualize her a lot, use her, throw her to a lot of man, and them do a bag of things to her, and she just feel like a person just get left out on the street, and him just live up him life, and I be good to everybody and not be good to she, and she just feel used. And if that's the case, I really sympathize with her because she's a woman and she has feelings. And I think sometimes men don't know how to deal with women. I think men sometimes see us as sex objects, and that's not okay. That is not okay. And how sometimes men can label us as germs, this and that. I feel so sorry for her. So when people go class her as mad, I'm like, please. please. Not because we're Jamaicans mean so we for be savage. We have feelings to be for real. Like we're humans and we for look out for one another, especially women. Remember, we carry people for 9 months, we carry a baby for 9 months. The amount of things women go through. And some of these men, they ought to be respectful. But I am so happy that she looks better, to be honest. I hope she would have took the time out to really heal, focus on her music, because as I said, she's very talented. I grew up listening to Lisa Hype. Listen, nobody touching Lisa Hype. Period. But let me know what you think. Drop an opinion in the comment section. Like the video and thanks so much for always supporting the channel.